Welcome to a little tutorial about a scrapbooking page I made for Fabrika Decoro. First step is to create beautiful texture with this stencil 051 from Fabrika Decoro, and I'm using here texture paste and an old credit card. Fabrika Decoro has different paints, and this is dry paints. That means it's a powder form and it will be activated by water. As you can see, I'm very frugal because I just want some color. The first powder was Scarlet Sunset. It comes with a red color and golden effects, and this is the color named Scarlet. I take the powder with a dry brush and then I'm spraying a little bit water on it and let it dry. Now I'm starting with beautiful paper. It's a collection Letters of Love, and it comes with a beautiful paper of roses, and I'm cutting out some roses because I want to use them to decorate my page. Then I have here an overlay from the collection Shabby Memory, and I'm using a photo, and now I'm starting with layering papers and scraps to create beautiful dimensions. And look at these beautiful little cards. I also want to use a lot of them behind my photo, and those cards are also from the paper collection Letters of Love. I just realized how beautiful this paper is at the back side, but I have my photo with a lot of red on it, and so I'm using the rosé. Here I have a lot of washes. I will use it to blend the paper with a white background. I love to use foam adhesive sheets because it gives a lot of 3D effects and dimensions. and a little bit of tissue paper in between, it's an interesting effect. And here are the beautiful roses I want to use for decoration. And I have here more roses I made with physics dies, and I'm not sure where I want to have it, but as you can see, step by step I'm coming further and to an end. This is another overlay foil with beautiful butterflies, and I'm cutting out some butterflies and want to use for decoration. And here's our little cat coming. She's curious what I'm doing here. Now I'm satisfied with all my elements and I'm adhering them. Now I want to create more texture with my stamps and SteSon, and I'm using here a very old background stamp from Tim Holtz. I hope you liked this little tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!